India is a land of stunning diversity, from its towering mountains to lush valleys, rivers, and forests. And what better way to explore this beauty than on the country's magnificent railway routes? Today, we'll take you on a journey over the mountains and valleys as we discover India's most beautiful railway routes. Our journey begins in the heart of the Himalayas, aboard the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, famously known as the Toy Train. This UNESCO World Heritage route travels from New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling, passing through rolling tea plantations and offering spectacular views of the snow-capped Kanchenjunga. As the train winds its way through steep hills and misty forests, it's hard not to be mesmerized by the charm of Darjeeling's scenic beauty. Whether you're a train enthusiast or a nature lover, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Next, we travel to the Kangra Valley Railway in Himachal Pradesh, a route that seems straight out of a postcard. The train glides along the foot of the majestic Dhauladhar Range, passing deep valleys, serene rivers, and thick forests. You might even catch a glimpse of snow-covered peaks in the distance. Moving south, the Konkan Railway offers one of the most breathtaking train journeys in India. Stretching from Ratnagiri to Mangalore, this route takes you through the lush landscapes of the Western Ghats, across rivers, waterfalls and tunnels. Monsoon season turns this journey into a green paradise, with waterfalls cascading down the hills. Climbing into the Nilgiri Hills, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway takes us from Mettupalayam to Ooty, another UNESCO World Heritage route. This toy train chugs through scenic valleys and dense forests, offering panoramic views of the misty blue hills. This route is perfect for those who seek serenity and nature's quiet beauty. Just outside Mumbai lies the peaceful hill station of Matharan, accessible only by the Matharan Hill Railway. This narrow-gauge train offers a delightful ride through lush green forests and cliffs, providing a much-needed escape from the bustling city. One of the highlights of train travel in India is crossing the Vasco da Gama to Londa route in Goa, where the train passes by the majestic Dudhsagar waterfall. The sight of the falls cascading down from a great height is simply awe-inspiring, especially during the monsoons. For those who wish to experience the beauty of the Kashmir Valley, the Jammu to Baramulla railway line is an unforgettable journey. Surrounded by snow-clad mountains, flowering meadows, and lush green valleys, this route showcases Kashmir's breathtaking landscapes in all their glory. From the soaring heights of the Himalayas to the coastal beauty of the Konkan coast, India's railway routes offer a glimpse into the country's rich natural heritage. So, the next time you're looking for a unique way to explore India's beauty, why not hop on a train and let the tracks lead you through paradise? Thank you for joining us on this journey through India's most scenic railways. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty in History for more such adventures. Let's explore the world's beauty, one journey at a time.